What's going on, guys? Today we're going to make a challenge coin holder. We kind of already started a little bit out of some poplar. It's a little rough cut, but we'll get it polished off here shortly. Got a little bit of an angle, so what we're going to do is, if you can see, you got some notches, lines here, and we'll cut it with the saw, the table saw, allow notches so challenge coins can sit straight up facing, and it'll be like a stadium seating. And then on the back side, we're going to do a Raleigh skyline decor part right here. So, but this is what we got so far. All right, I got my lines drawn up. I'm gonna run it through the table saw to make a groove. I got to angle it appropriately so that way the coins stand up. You'll see what I got going here shortly. What's going on, YouTube? Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Yeah. What's going on, guys? I think we got this all notched out perfectly. So now we got a little bit of an angle so the challenge coins can sit appropriately. Took a little bit of time to get it adjusted and get it real right. We're going to sand it all down and get it routed, and then we still have to do the back Raleigh skyline. But other than that, I think it's going to look great. Got plenty of coins to go on there. Oh yeah. Now we're at this super swanky router table once again. We're gonna router these edges, smooth it up, clean it up. Now we just got to touch it up with the sander, get all this charring off where the bit bears it out. Other than that, I think we're getting coming along nicely. All right, guys, we're trying to get you out of the North Carolina blazing sun. We're going to sand some of this stuff down, get it nice and cleaned up, get it fitted for the design decorative piece in the back. And we're getting close. I'm gonna have to do some wood putty into some of these cracks and crevices, especially where the nail holes are. I use a finish nailer so you barely see any holes, but that way we can get it all nice and clean, look like one solid piece. All right, guys, what do you think? Comment what you think so far. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Every little bit helps. We got to get these subs up. Next step, staining. Oh yeah. I actually like to use the water-based polyacrylic. It's very forgiving, it dries really quickly, and really gets the job done. All right, so we got this thing stained. It's clear coated. Now I have to design the backdrop, which is really gonna make this thing pop. So, but otherwise we gotta let this clear coat dry a little bit, maybe put a couple more coats, and then we'll be on our way. All right, so here we are. We got this thing bad boy designed up. This is gonna be the silhouette of the skyline of Raleigh to go in the back of the coin holder. We were able to get it all outlined so that way we can, now it won't be as fragile. So right now I have it filled in black so you can see it real well, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a red cut line. Bring this right over here, take it off a fill, put cut line. All right, so now what's going to end up happening is everything that is red will be cut out. And then I'm going to make that a lighter stain, and then this other part of the skyline will be cut out intricate and tacked on, which you'll see here shortly once we get it all set up. All right, so here we are. I'm staining one of the decorative pieces going to the top. One thing I like to do with staining is I actually like to use paper towels. A lot of people use staining sponges, things like that, but they cause fuzzes. I like paper towels. You use them, toss them, throw them in the trash. I just tend to like that a little bit better. My staining. So we're going to stain this skyline here. And then we're going to overlay it with a lighter color, kind of like a halo effect on this skyline, which allow this skyline to pop. This stain is actually matching the actual coin holder itself. I actually just cleared the halo portion. It's got a cool little wood grain to it. And once we get this all dried up, we'll attach it to it, and it'll be the backdrop for the coin holder. So here we are. You know, it's coming along nicely. So we'll go from there. All right, here we go. It's a little bit of a glare, but you can kind of see the skyline that's drying. Got a clear coat on it, got it tacked together. If you ask me, I think it came out really, really good. Stay tuned for the finished product with some coins on it.